What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay, and today we're going to talk about this new $100,000 account. All right, so pretty much I just got $100,000 to trade with on a futures account. All right, so I'm going to be trading futures only on this account. That's all I'm allowed to trade. And pretty much how it works is we're going to go over that right now. But first off, this video is sponsored by my new options and stock investing course. So click the link down below to go check that out. And next, now we're going to talk about the actual funded account. Okay, so how do I get my hands on $100,000 to trade futures with? Well, I posted in my Discord today, and it seemed like we got a lot of attention, or I got a lot of attention, and it's something you guys want to think about and learn about. So first step, obviously, you're going to need to know about the futures market and how it works and how to trade it. And come up with your own strategy and be consistently profitable. Okay, so once you do that, once you think you're able to be consistently profitable, you can go ahead and show a company that you could do it, that you can that you could follow a set of rules and that you can make X amount and do that consistently. So pretty much you're going to need a strategy. And you're going to need a little upfront money. You're not going to need to fund your account with, thousands of dollars. You don't even need to have your own live account to get started with this. All right. So basically how it works, you prove to a company that you're profitable, and they will give you money. All right. So you don't need to, you're probably thinking like, I don't have my own track record. How am I going to do this if I don't even have a live account right now? I'm still paper trading. Well, you don't need one. You don't need one because basically how it works, you pay a small upfront fee and they put you on a simulated platform and they will track you. So just like you're probably paper trading now or you've paper traded in the past, they'll put you on a simulated trading account and they will just track you and track to see if you can be consistently profitable over time. So this is how it works, all right? First off, you're going to need a strategy that works. Second off, you're going to need anywhere from $150 to $375. So here are the different packages you can pick from, all right? So I'm going to go over the rules with you and everything. So this is the website. It's called Top Step Trader, and it is a legit website, all right? And it's a legit company that will actually give you money and you can withdraw the profits. You can't withdraw the 100,000, you can withdraw whatever you make, okay? So let's just go over the one I did, this $100,000. So to start off, you pay $325. $325 and then you're in. You're on the simulated platform and this is what you got to do, okay? There's two steps to it. So step one, these are the rules. You got to make $6,000, right? You got to make $6,000, and you could trade a maximum position size of 10 lots. 10 lots on the ES, the S&P, is a lot. You could do a lot of damage with 10 lots. You could do very well, and you could do very bad if you don't follow, a risk management plan. So basically your daily loss limit could be $2,000. You're not allowed to go over $2,000. So if you do, you're going to have to reset it and then go back to step one and go back to, a fresh slate. And they won't charge you $325 to do that. Let's say you go over the daily loss limit one day and you lose like $2,500, let's say. You could pay, I think it's $100 to reset the account and start fresh. So yeah, that's another benefit. So let's say you lose that much on your live account. This is a lot cheaper than, actually losing your own capital, right? Say you lose $2,500 on this account. Well, realistically, you're only going to have to pay $100 to get back up and running and try and earn the funded account. If you did that on your live account, that $2,500 is gone. All right, that $2,500 is gone. So this is a good way to just, trade other people's money. And we're going to go through the different rules right now. Weekly loss limit's also 2,000. And then your trailing maximum drawdown is going to be 3,000. So Once you do that, if you're able to do that and make $6,000 with following those rules, you have to do a minimum trading day, minimum of 5 trading days. So you have to trade a minimum of 5 days. If you hit $6,000 in one day, you're gonna have to like scratch trade for the next 4 days because there's a minimum of 5. So, and you can only trade whatever products during permitted times. You could check that out and they'll tell you a little more about that. And yeah, pretty much that. You follow those rules. Don't hit the daily loss limit. We went over that. Don't allow your account balance to hit or exceed the trailing maximum drawdown. And don't exceed your maximum position size. Okay. So if you do that, if you make $6,000 on that account, now you go to step 2. Step 2 is a little different. They have a scaling plan, so you can't just do 10 lots right off the bat. You got to do, you just got to follow their scaling plan. At first, it starts with like 3 contracts. Then it goes up to, as you make more money, you know, you could use more contracts. So in this step 2, you got to trade a minimum of 10 days. So the minimum it takes to get a funded account is 15 days. So if you start now, you can have a funded trading account in 15 days if you pass both steps and you follow their rules and everything. So same thing, trade permitted products during permitted times. Don't hit or exceed the daily and weekly loss limit. Don't allow the account balance to hit or exceed the trailing maximum drawdown. Don't hold positions into major news events. So this is a little different. You can't trade. You got to be flat. You have to exit your trades before like something like the NFP or some GDP news. But they'll give you a list of all the economic things, economic releases you need to be flat before, like unemployment rate, non-farm, FOMC, GDP, crude oil inventories. And these are the products that affect those that you have to be flat on. So yeah, that's that. And follow the scaling plan. So like I said, as you make more money, you're allowed to use more contracts. You can't just do 10 right off the bat with this package, the 100,000. So here it is. If you're below 100,000 and 101,500. Wow, I just had a brain fart. If you're below 101,500, you're doing 3 lots. So you can begin with 3 lots, that's saying. Once you get over 101,500, now you could do 4. Once you get over 102,000, you could do 5. Once you get over 103,000, you could do 10. You could max out, right? So that's that. That's the major difference between the two steps. Now, once you do that, welcome. You got the account. Here's an email on my account today that I just got. I just did it for fun, really, to show you guys how it actually is real and how I'm going to be using it going forward. Congratulations, below is your funded account information. You're now ready to begin trading real capital. Please review the current restrictions in the funded account by visiting our COVID-19 response page. Oh my God, what? This thing is just affecting everything, huh? This COVID. But please log into the TS Top Step Traders funded environment with your username or password. You'll have access to account. That's my account info. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. So yeah, there we go. That is my Top Step account. Now let's look through my stats real quick and see how quick I was able to do this. So here's step 1. We can see that says pass right here. And that's my funded account right there, VA5, whatever. But look, you can still see like the steps that you took. So I'm gonna go over to my step 1 and we'll see how long it took me to pass this and get this $100,000 account. So here's real quick some stats. Average winning day, 1,200. Best day, 3,000. Worst day, $96. And again, in step 1, you got to trade a minimum of 5 days, reach the $6,000 profit target, don't exceed the $2,000 daily loss limit, don't trade more than 10 contracts at one time, don't allow your account balance to go below 100,000. Now I did do that I did exceed the $2,000 daily loss limit one day, and I just simply reset my account. That's why it says 100K step one reset. So I reset my account once before doing this, just to put that out there, all right? Because I went a little heavy. I used the 10 contracts. I got a little excited once I started out, and it didn't go too well. But better, it was better off doing that on this account than my own account because, well, it didn't cost me any money. I don't lose the $2,000. I just have to reset my account. And even when I get on the funded account, when I'm on the funded account, if I lose $2,000, I'm not personally losing $2,000. The company is, right? I'm not responsible for the losses. So yeah, that's how that works. And then we'll talk about like the profit sharing and everything in a second. But just to show you the stats on my account, we could see that I did pretty good, and I did it in the minimum 5 days, right? 100% winning days. I started July 24th, ended July 30th. And these were the stats down here. So the first day I did $96. That was my worst day. Second day I did $988. And look, we can see I was actually down this day and actually came back and made money. Wow, look at that. But yeah, this is the net P&L over here. So July 24th, I was up $96.60. July 27th, I was up $988. July 28th, I made $1,018. July 29th, I made $1,069. And July 30th, I passed the step one and had a $3,000 day, pretty much. So yeah, those were my stats right there on this step one. And you can see that I landed right at $106,215 on this day 5. So day 5 completed my step one. Now let's go to step 2. Go to step 2 real quick. Where's step 2? There's step 2. So average winning day, $1,300. Average losing day, $100. Best day, $2,500. Worst day, $400 loss. So same kind of rules, just the scaling thing that's a little different. I started this on July 31st, ended on August 17th. So I completed it in the minimum 10 days, and I only had 50% winning days. Check that out. Isn't that a crazy stat? So you don't have to win every single day, just as long as you manage your risk correctly, you'll be able to do it. Right? So in this one, we got to make $6,000 again. So we made $6,000 already. Now we got to make another $6,000 to prove to them that we could do this consistently. That's why they do that. So let's see how the days went. First day didn't do too good. So we can see that I got the account July 31st, and I didn't start trading till August 3rd. All right, August 3rd, I started off pretty bad. I had a $405 loss on the first day. I was like, oh, I'm not going to do it. Oh my God. And then the second day came in swinging, $2,500 gain. Third day, $45 gain. Fourth day, $92 gain. Fifth day, $2,100. Sixth day, $1,700. So at this point, I was at the $6,000 gain, right? So you could see that the rest of the 4 days, so I did it in the first 6 days, and then the rest of the days, I just kind of entered and exited as quick as possible. Like I got into a trade and exited really quick, called scratch trading. So that's why you see they were just all losses, because I was just trying to get in and out and make as little as possible, just so I could put the trade and meet the 10-day minimum requirement. So that's why that's why actually my win rate was so bad, now that I think of it. But you still don't need to win every single day to make money. I mean, this is proof too. I only won on 5 days out of the 10. So yeah, pretty much I did it in the first 6 days. I went up to 106,133. And I scratch traded the last 4 days, and it brought me down to like $106,018. So yeah, passed step 2, got the funded account, and yeah, I did it in the minimum 15 days, because step 1 is 5 days, step 2 is 10 days, and I did it in 15. So now I am on the funded account. Let's check this out. Funded, boom, here we go. So this is proof I'm on the funded account. And I'm gonna start trading this maybe tomorrow, maybe not. If there's a good trade on the futures, then I'll take it. If not, I'll just, do what I gotta do with this account. But it's pretty much, now this is how the profits work, okay? You're probably wondering, do I get to keep all this money, or what's the deal here? The first $5,000 is 100% yours. So if I make $5,000 right now or tomorrow, I get to keep all of it and withdraw it, right? I get to withdraw $5,000 and keep 100% of it. Now after that, after I make more than $5,000, then we do an 80-20 split. So they keep 20% and I keep 80% of all the profits. So if I make $1,000, or after I make the 5,000, let's just say I make another 1,000. So I'll keep 800 of that when I go to withdraw, and they'll keep 200. So it's an 80-20 split, which is amazing. It's amazing. And also, you're not paying that monthly fee anymore. You are not paying the $325 once you pass the account. So that's another great thing. The only thing you'll be paying for is a $100 data fee. Okay, so I'm trading the S&P and the NASDAQ and Dow Jones. So I'm paying $100 a month for the data fee. They make you pay that. But I just look at it as, all right, I'm paying $100 a month for access to a $100,000 account. Don't you, and I could make 80% of all the profits. So I think it's very worth the $100 in my opinion. But yeah, that's pretty much how I have a brand new $100,000 account that I can trade with every day. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to learn more about it, I put the link down below. You can get a little discount by using my code. And yeah, I hope you guys take the challenge. You can see I have a 100K funded account. And yeah, I can't wait to actually start trading and making money on this one. And I hope you guys use it too. If you want to, click the link down below and get access to this Top Step Trader platform, and start, proving that you could be profitable too. And I know there was a lot of yeses on this Discord post, right? On this Discord post, there was a lot of yeses that you guys wanted to know about this video on how I got my 100K funded account. So I hope you guys actually go forward with it and start, proving that you could be profitable. And if you want to learn more about this, and if you want to see what kind of trades I'm getting into during the day, just plug into my free Discord. It's completely free. The link is down below, and you can see what I'm doing throughout the day. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's how you can get a $100,000 funded account and split the profits with these guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit. I'll keep you posted on my journey, and when I do my first withdrawal, I'll do another video showing you that it's legit, showing you that the money hits my bank account. And yeah, like I said, if you want to try it out, start the combine down below. I'll put the link, and I wish you guys the best, and I hope you get a funded account too. I'll see you guys later. Have a great night, and trade safe.